Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Cancer. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Alright Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your comments and your likes. I'm very blessed. Thank you so much. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Cancer. Somebody wants to come and apologize, it seems. They want to come back and apologize. Yes, return. And bottom of my deck, Cancer, I have the happiest card in the entire deck for you. The Sun card. This is happiness at its prime. Let's see why this card is here. And let me take a look at the cards. It seems there was a bit of disappointment here. Maybe this King of Cups has now realized that they are madly in love, but maybe earlier they never showed their emotions, or they used to hide their emotions or behave in a manner which was not very nice. But somebody does want a rebirth of this connection. Not happy with the way things have gone down. They're thinking of maybe bringing an apology, feeling very heartbroken, but wishing and hoping to come back and drop this burden that they've been carrying of whatever past hurts you guys have. So what I'm going to do, Cancer, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. Alright, so Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person spirit. And Cancer, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. Okay, I have enough, I think. Just take a couple more from another deck. Cancer and their person. All right. Good to go, Cancer. I'm going to start with your first card, but I just remembered I don't have my glasses with me and the font is really tiny. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry, and I'm back. The first card here, Cancer, says, "You are my muse. If you only knew how much you have inspired me. Darling, you are my masterpiece. I wish I could let go of fear to tell you and show you how much you inspire me." Loving you is knowing what true love is. There is no logical explanation for my feelings. My heart only responds to yours. You are my endless love. Your indecision is a decision and your non-action is an action. Decisions and actions have consequences. This includes not making a decision or taking action towards me. I didn't run from you. I ran from myself. It's all down to my deep fear of rejection and my insecurities. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you are my world and I want everyone to know. Nothing is more terrifying and simultaneously delightful than having to bear witness to how our two distinctive souls are joined energetically for eternity. I understand if you're feeling scared because it scares the F out of me too. Enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me and I want to be with you. Why can't we just get our shit together now? I didn't have the courage to tell you. I'm afraid of losing you. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. I'm under so much stress. All right, Cancer, if these messages were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice. Oops, triumphant. All right, so success is assured, it seems, Cancer. I tried to put the cards back because they were opening in a certain way, but this card still jumped out. Okay, so this is definitely for you. So there is some kind of victory coming for you, maybe in this connection. I don't know. And blessings of abundance. Wow. All right, so let's start with your reading. Seven of Pentacles, Spirit. What does the Seven of Pentacles have to say here? Seven of Pentacles. Somebody didn't have the courage. They didn't put in the investment. Maybe they didn't want to be tied down. They wanted to be free. They didn't want to have a stress of a connection. Even though I think deep in their heart they did have love, they didn't show it. Yes, they never offered that emotions or love or sweet nothings. Maybe they were just scared to open up. But inside, I think there was love always. Always, but it was just a matter of not opening up and showing it, because that would maybe make them look weak, or maybe that then they would have to propose. They didn't want that stress tension, and now somebody's feeling quite disappointed. Why didn't I invest when the time was right? Now I've made my person very suspicious of my behavior. I've made them very upset and angry with me. So Judgment card, Spirit. Judgment. Judgment. Somebody wants to begin again because things have stagnated now. Now they're looking at their person and saying, hey, this was my one. This is my queen above all queens. I've always loved them. I never showed them. I never invested. Now they're upset and angry with me, but they are still my empress. I think they want to start again, take baby steps, start from scratch, slow, whatever. They're very worried that things have stagnated. They do want to have a rebirth of this connection with this Empress. So why is the Ace of Wands in reverse then, Spirit? Ace of Wands in reverse. They fear things have ended already, and that really doesn't make them feel good. It makes them feel very demotivated. Oh my God, they want to be motivated again. The minute I said that, I mean, the Ace of Wands was in reverse, right? So the minute I said that they fear that things have ended, immediately this card popped up to say, no, 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 we want a transformation. We want to turn things around and, have this big change in our life for the better, so we can have excitement and motivation for the future. We want to kill the past and have a brand new future. Willing to come in, I think, with an apology now, and willing to offer the cup of love, which I think they never showed earlier. What's this, Spirit? Page of Cups. Page of Cups. Page of Cups for Cancer. They want to apologize for the way they behaved. Maybe they betrayed their person, ended the connection, never offered any kind of cup, like I said. They've been feeling quite bad about whatever ended. But that doesn't mean that their excitement has lessened. This King of Wands is gearing up to take action once again. Okay, they do want to come forward and apologize, maybe for this heartbreak that they've caused. Three of Swords, Spirit. Three of Swords. Three of Swords. They always had love, I can see that, but this person was trying to be an emperor in reverse. Maybe they were trying to be in control of their emotions or this relationship or the way it would go, and in trying to control a connection, relationship, especially a love connection, that really doesn't work, right? You're supposed to be open, honest, vulnerable with each other, and they managed to kill this love. They never offered this cup of love, which eventually ended up breaking hearts. All because of this emperor's need to control. Now they want somebody to just drop the old baggage. They want to return. They still have very sweet memories. So what's happening here? 10 of Wands in reverse. Yes, here's the return card once again. They want to return. Please, let's end the fight. Can I please return back to you? I want to return back to you. Let's see. 6 of Cups. 6 of Cups. Yes, they want to come and fight one more time. They want to be given one more chance because they are hurting as well now. As much of hurt that they've caused this Empress, they've realized that they themselves ended up feeling heartbroken and feeling left out in the cold after whatever they did. So, 3 of Wands, Spirit. Again, another card of return. 3 of Wands. Oh my God, such Sun card is here again. That's by... Oh wow, I'm getting... Okay, so what is this Sun card, Spirit? It's come twice already for Cancer. What is this Sun card? What's it going to bring? Some talk where secrets will be revealed about why there was unequal give and take, why they were breadcrumbing. They want to come and be honest and say, hey, listen, I'm not confused anymore. I chose my cup. I choose my cup, and that one cup is yours. I only have one cup to offer, and that's yours. Somebody wants to open up about their deepest desires and secrets. So let's have one more card, Spirit. I'm very excited about the Sun card. What's the Sun card? What's it going to bring my Cancer? One more. This person is in love. That's for sure. The second time this card is out. The Sun card is that you guys may be able to drop this burden of whatever has been bothering you guys. It could be the end of regret and sorrow and looking back at the past with sadness. And once the darkness goes, there's light, there's happiness. So one thing is for sure, somebody wants to have victory once again. They do want to come back desperately if they haven't already. So give them a chance when they do, allow them to talk. They really do want to bare their soul from what I see of the High Priestess in reverse. The innermost desires, secrets, somebody does want to open up. And maybe request that, hey, can we just begin again? Let's drop everything from the past and start from scratch. So that's all I have for you, Cancer. Hope it worked for you. Do let me know, leave a thumbs up if it did, and newbies, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be seeing you very soon. Love and light, take care, namaste.